can see in this trade in today's video. I want to take a trade on the volatility of Bitcoin and just sitting on this live in case you're watching us and in case you're watching us anywhere from around the world. Welcome to the channel. If this is your first time here, click the notification bell whenever I post another video, you'll be the first person to get a notification that I got I posted a video so you can just watch it. Alright? So that's the first step. And the second step is that anytime we post signals like this, if you are not registered in our premium signal providing channel or you didn't make any donation and adding your name and telling us you were the one who did it, you might not be able to get all of the signals. And just so you know, over the months we've been making serious profits of many kinds, getting signals from those analyses that we get from the market, and we apply them to trading, and it gives us the edge and we win money because of the numerous type of trade, analysis that we've been making. So the video we're going to be making today is going to be based on uh, it's going to be based on a strategy I call the trend following strategy. And yesterday, when we took a trade, we took it at this point. Immediately, we took it, we went up to this point. So now, what we want to do is taking the strategy, the same strategy we applied to yesterday's trade, and we're going to apply it to today's trade, which is just the support and resistance. We get it in a H1 time frame, and all the time that we trade like this, we want to always trade and hold our positions for a minimum of 2 days, 3 days, or more. So this is what we're doing today, and this is how we get it done. So right now we're gonna be taking another trade on this pair, and this account was 164k. We had a big loss. It took us all the way to 124, and from 124, the trade we took yesterday got us this up again. And just so you know, there's usually losses in the market. If you're not lost, if you're not losing, then you're not trading. So the loss is part of the game. But overall, we as traders gonna trade, more win than more losses. So um, it's making you know that we had the loss, but we yet to get it back up. So in the previous video made, we said the last video we made, we said we tagged the video part one and part two, and just so you know, it was that way. So um, part one and part two of that video is a banger. We are again doing another video, but this time we want to just sell the market. All right. This is taking an account from. So this account started from the 13,000 US dollar, but all our strong efforts, we want to take it all the way to a million US dollar, and that's the challenge we're on. We were taking trades on. We're using a strategy which is known as uh, which is known as the 20 pips challenge. 20 pips challenge is like when we started out this 20 pips challenge thing, we started it out, it would have been something of 13k all the way to $1 million. So 13k traded, and we already made $4,000, but that's not enough. If we didn't get this account all the way to $1 million, we are not satisfied as to what we want to do. So if you are trading a small account, right, all the signals we provide here can help you get up. All the signals we provide here can help you grow that little account of yours. And all the signals we provide are live, right? If I made this video, I actually have it on live. I'm live on YouTube, and I'm live on the social media platform. Soon enough, I'll be giving you, I'll be telling you platforms of which we do this, you know, live thing on. So when we make a live video, you're there, and you need to be on with us because um, if you're not following us, all these profits you might not have been able to make. And I'll take you to the history of this account, just showing you we made $135,000, right? 135,000 profit. and the starting balance was just a 13K. If it was, let's imagine if you were trading with a $13 and you were following all our signals, your account is gonna be your account is currently gonna be $154. If you traded at the lowest lot, of course you're gonna get to increase your lot size when you're trading accurate signals like we do. But if it requires a big lot size amount, then we're going to tell you how much you need to trade with and how many lot size you're going to be using. Of course, you know what lot size is. I explained it in a video where I taught you how lot size have been used in this forex market, and so I told you how lot sizes are being used in the forex market and how you can use them to trade and what they function as, the functionalities and how they are applied to the forex market. And so this is what you need to know about trading with lot sizes. And then if you were with $13, you just entered. We have a we have Facebook, right? Sooner, if you want me to put my Facebook um, details under the description, DM me. All you need to do is comment and tell me frequency in FX. I want you to put your signal providing platform where we get to see your live signals play out. Because any trade I take, I tell you the truth, I take it to my signal providing channel. I have students that are buying my signals and I post it and they get to see my signals. And when I put the signals, they get to be traded. And after they get traded, you see all the profits, and all the profits are going to be winning like never before. So here is where I want you to get attention to. I want to take a trade, and my analysis is simple. Of course, there's so many influences I look after when I'm taking trades like this. The M's and W's being part of my analysis status QH, and when I apply the M and W to the strategy I'll be trading, it's going to yield us the results of its you know, desired profitability, and that is what we're aiming. So M&W is something I applied here. I'll take you through the strategy real quick. You get you get you know you get familiar with it, and when you're familiar with it, you can start using it. You can start making use of it. So the M&W I taught you in my channel. If you want to see that video, all you need to do is go onto my videos history and you check for the M&W pattern video, or you just scroll through all the videos I made and you're gonna see the M's and W's. You see how the market always obeys these trends and how that the market always follows it up, and the market's following up is something that will yield you profit. And every time the market shows its movement, its directional movement, M's and W's are usually the first thing that shows up. And after the M's and W's showed up, you could just use other analysis that I delivered to you on this channel, the trend-based analysis, the edge wedge strategy, the multiple bottom or the multiple top. The double top strategy is something I'm gonna be looking if I'm gonna be selling this thing. I saw the double top here, and after seeing the double top, I then decided to sell. But the market, of course, is still giving us something like a buy. But we're not gonna look at it. It's just 5:42 p.m. And of course, something is gonna happen in the shortest, longest time period because every 6 p.m. there's usually a news event on the market that makes it very accurate and make markets move the way it tries to move. Um, this is a live signal. This is a live video to only few who paid for the subscription for the VIP channel, where we give accurate signals that work 90 of 100% every time they are traded. And if this does not work 100%, it's because you are not with us on the live channel. If you were with us after paying your mentorship, we're gonna invite you to the private link we get on the YouTube video. We got a YouTube video private link where everything we do is basically getting all these live signals, right? Basically getting them to the people who paid for the mentorship, to the people who paid. It's just the monthly payment plan is $50. If you wanted to be registered for 3 months, it's a 140 US dollar. And if you want an infinity or a lifetime mentorship program whereby you're gonna have full access to this site, to this channel, and never have to pay monthly and weekly. All you need to do is pay 1,000 US dollar for the mentorship program you'll be getting. However, um, if we offer signals that work 98% and we're giving you access to this channel for just a little bit of $1,000 or less or more, is because we wanted to help you get back everything you lost in the market. And if we told you it was $50, if you do not have a $1,000, start with a $50 plan. And when you start with a $50 plan, you definitely should get up. Even if all you got was $1 in your account, if we give you a strategy that works 100%, after using your $1 to trade with a strategy using 100%, it takes you 1,000 percentage of your profitability. Your $50 has yielded you more than $500 in the range of 1 week. In 1 week time, you should be having about $1,000 in your portfolio if we gave you a strategy that works with your $1 account and was able to turn your $1 account to 500 or more USD, then you should consider subscribing to our channel where we get you $1,000 and or more or less and have you registered. But if you want to, if you are interested in our VIP mentorship, you should do well to just comment. All you need to do is comment. The comment section is opened and everybody can just write channel, and it's gonna be just for a while. After a while, I'm not gonna be allowing people commenting under my, you know, I'm not gonna be allowing people to be commenting under my video because some scammers come to the comment section and write some funny stuff, and people who are watching my video think it's me who did it, and these scammers take all of their money away, and after they take their money away, they blame the person who made a video and tell them this is it. But the comment section, the comment channel is not for people who are scamming you. Don't reply anybody. Don't when a scammer message you privately under our comment section, you're not supposed to reply them because they are not your aim or your focus. The reason why you came to this channel is so you can watch the videos we make, get the values you get from it, pay for it for a higher range of value. And after paying, you are going to be really assessed. This the most important thing is that you pay for all the values you're getting. Otherwise, you'll be limited to the values you'll be getting because aside from the videos we make here on YouTube, we give private videos, we give private links, we get our videos privatized by the people who pay for their monthly mentorship or yearly or infinite mentorship. So yeah, what we'll be doing today is taking trade on this asset. Of course, I already told you my analysis for this one is a sell, and the reason being is the M&W strategy was identified, and afterwards we got it trend line identified, structural verified, double multiple tops analyzed. You can see it here, and my time frame is the 1 hour time frame. So after this is done, all I want to do is sell this, like mismanaging my funds on the account, but I'm not mismanaging it. I have a stop loss, and my stop loss is going to be strictly at the top of this point. Now, you see the when you see my stop loss here, when you see the line there, it's because I have a stop loss on it, so I don't have to just move and move and move. But then this is the for the trade we took. You can see after immediately we took the trade, the market started respecting our value because we have all the analysis. We made it right. We early strategized it. However, this account is going to $1 million US. I hope you're here with us on this video as we're going with this challenge. Stay tuned. If you have $153,000 in your account, feel free to take the trades we're taking for a further profitability um, um, analysis. So you need to be with us on this one. So sooner I'll be stopping the video, but just a few more analysis on how you can do this yourself. You should go to the 30 minutes. Why I took my trade was something is because of something I got from the 30 minutes time frame, and based on this on my analysis, I saw another type of I saw another type of I saw another type of double tops. I saw another type of double tops here. in the 30 minutes time frame. I saw the structure that created a new type of MCWs of a pattern, and I saw it right to have been traded. And the other confluence was the fact that this was going to be a move up strategy, and it showed three confluences that could have validated so many people's entry. But when it did, the market refused that entry because of the loss of validity of their analyzed strategy. Market played against the psychology of 98 people in it and went in the progress or in the favor of the 2% who are not thinking like the other 98% of traders that are trading. However, these people, so many people I knew in my unprofessional group trading took this trade a buy. However, I knew it was going to sell because I bought it and I was able to gather up 30,000 USD from all the trades I get up from it. You saw the video, but now because so many other people are trading, because of all of those three green candles they find up, four green candles they find, five green candles, and this unprofessionals are trading little time frames, 15 minute time frames, and all they try to do is analyze or predict the market through 15 minutes with all of this many green candles they saw, which was a wrong way of analyzing the market. I took the trade because 15 minutes said here and it went up this way, and I was able to gather up trend based analysis from the 1 hour time frame, and I predicted it to be down. And now you see it, but my stop loss is not going to be small good. I'm not gonna put my stop loss here because I'm trying to get something out of that. No. I put my stop loss here. Let me just put it on the screen so you see it. I'm just going to stop loss, and just so you see it, no partiality here. Putting my stop loss at the right position. See, no partiality. I'm gonna leave this trade to run for the longest period of time. I'm going to get my profits to it soon enough. Just put in my stop loss. And when I leave my stop loss there, I'm coming back to get it, to get another trade or to get my analysis right. And then in 3 days' time, this trade is going to be confirmed. The last video I made and how I took the trade that made us 30,000 US dollar lately was from on Saturday, and today is Monday. We came to the chart and we saw 30K. This is how we do it after we analyze the market. We put our stop losses at a required basis, and after putting stop losses, we come back and just wait for 3 days. No take profit. Our take profit is only going to be analyzed when we are patient enough to see it. When we take profits, of course we can take profits, but I'd like to come back and just see it in profit, serious profit. I wouldn't like to take profit now and afterwards seeing the market run more profit, more profits, and that would have been regretted trade that I must have taken. So, well, deciding to not end the video immediately, I am going with a program that says 1 million US dollar must be made. It's a campaign, and we have from now till 3 months later to get in this account all the way to 1 M, right from 13,000 USD. That's something progressive for you who is only managing a small account. 13 USD, you can always take all the trades we take under the parameters of the minimum leverage or lot size your account offers you for the little amount of money you're bringing into the market. So you can always follow up 13,000 USD. If it was just for 13 US dollar, you take trades and making money underneath the percentage we are making this profit on. The only difference would be that we're trading bigger accounts and you are managing smaller accounts. Of course, if you were with us from your 13 USD, you would be having 154 USD. And when this account gets to a million USD and you started it with just a 13 USD, your profitability would have been 1,000 USD. on a win ratio of 13K all the way to 1 hand. In a little account like 13 USD, it's gonna be 1,000 USD, and that's gonna be something you can start a life with, start a business with it, start anything you want with it, continue your trading journey. We here for you. We got you here in frequency in Australia. All we want to see you do is win. All we want to see all our new traders do is win. All we want to see all our new clients do is win. So the trades are on and they are reading, and it's okay that you watch the monitor the chart. If you're live here with us, you can just go into your little time frames like 1 minute, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, and just see how price is going. And just so you do not get your mind twisted enough or more than enough to doing the right thing, you should always consider resting. But overall, you just need to follow us whenever we post because we have more analysis than you do. We have more confidence than you do. Spend time in this market analyzing and understanding things. We have more strategies than you do. So your little knowledge you got from YouTube might not be enough for you to get this right. You need to follow us. You need a teacher. If we become your teacher, we're gonna be giving you signals that's gonna be expanding your value and your account value. And while you're doing that, you have more money to purchase more courses from us. More courses you purchase will, give you a turnover on asking how you can get the money. Right? Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye for now.